Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Amex Rewards account, secure fix step by step clearly. To log into your Amex Rewards account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.americanexpress.com and hit enter. Once the home page loads, look for the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password in the following field. Double-check your entries for accuracy to avoid login issues. Once confirmed, click on the login button to access your account. If you encounter issues logging in, look for the Forgot User ID or Password link and click on it. Follow the prompts to recover your user ID or reset your password. After resetting, return to the login page and enter your credentials again. If you're still having trouble, ensure that cookies in JavaScript are enabled in your browser settings. Consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies for a fresh start. If problems persist, try using a different browser or device. For any technical difficulties, you can contact American Express customer support for assistance. Once logged in, explore your rewards balance and available offers. Enjoy managing your Amex rewards with ease and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.